Hi everyone. Now we are going to discuss relative velocity in circular motion. For that we can consider a question directly. See the question. Two particles A and B are moving on two concentric circles of radii r1 and r2 with equal angular speed omega. See the picture here. The particle A, which is moving in a radius r1, and the particle B, which is revolving in a circle of radius r2, and both A and B are moving with the angular speed omega. Next, at t is equal to 0, their positions and directions of motion are shown in the figure. At t is equal to 0, if you see the particle A which is revolving in anticlockwise direction, at t is equal to 0, it is pointing towards positive y-axis. So the particle A, it is pointing towards y-axis, that is plus j cap. Next, if you take the particle B at time t is equal to 0, they are, that is pointing towards minus j cap. Now what we are going to determine from this question is relative velocity VA minus VB at t is equal to pi by 2 omega. So if you consider the case solution, to find out the relative velocity for this type of question, first you need to find out the angle of revolution that these two particles A and B made at t is equal to pi by 2 omega. For that, you can use the relation theta is equal to omega t, then theta is equal to omega. T is given, that is t is equal to pi by 2 omega. Substitute here. These 2 omega will get cancelled. That means theta is equal to pi by 2. This is the angle of revolution made by these two particles A and B at t is equal to pi by 2 omega. Then to consider the relative velocity between A and B at t is equal to pi by 2 omega, let me draw the picture again. Y, and this is x-axis. This is the circle of radius r1 and this is the circle of radius r2. You see here, initially the particle A is here and at t is equal to pi by 2 omega. This picture says at t is equal to pi by 2 omega. At t is equal to pi by 2 omega, the A particle has swept an angle theta is equal to pi by 2 in anti-clockwise direction. That means this particle A would have been reached here. If you consider the particle B which is revolving in this clockwise direction, at t is equal to pi by 2 omega, this particle B also swept an angle pi by 2. That means at this instant of time, this particle also would be traveling in this direction, and by the instant t is equal to 2 omega, this particle B also would have reached here. That means now both the particles A and B both are moving in negative x-axis. Now if you want to find out relative velocity VA minus VB, that is equal to, now we want to find out what is VA. We know the relation between angular speed omega and linear velocity V. That is VA we can write as R1 omega and VB you can write it as R2 omega. Now this omega is same for both A and B. Substitute here R1 omega, which is moving in negative x-axis, minus R2 omega, which is also moving in negative x-axis. So this is equal to, when you take omega common, then minus r1 plus r2 I cap. This we can write it as VA minus VB is equal to omega into R2 minus R1 I cap. This is the required answer for this question. Thank you.